One of the things we receive calls on in the office is regarding non-release of clutches that are fitted with cushion buttons, either in the four-terrain or in the performance style of cover. The issue with these is that they have the material bonded onto a steel backing plate, and that steel backing plate, although it is strong, if it is bent, it remains bent. You get some give from an organic plate so that if it is slightly bent, it will resume its original shape. But with these, if they stay bent, they then give you a release issue with the clutch. So it's important to make sure that they don't bend. At the factory, every one of these clutch plates is checked for a thing called run out. Now what that is the actual amount of movement in the plate to make sure that the clutch releases properly. They are also put on a machine and checked for release, which simulates you putting your foot on the clutch pedal and actually releasing the clutch. And every one of those is checked before it is released for sale. If you have a problem with one of these, it is generally speaking a transportation or a handling issue rather than a production issue. So it's important to make sure that you treat these things very carefully so that they don't get bent when you fit them. So what we recommend you do, when you receive your clutch from your distributor, check it for trueness and run out, and if you're satisfied that it's flat, then go ahead and install the clutch. But if you need to know more, call us on 1300 369 787.